Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by getting the physical link right. Use a known data cable and plug your phone into the computer. When the phone prompts, select File Transfer or Charging so the system recognizes the device. Once done, unlock the screen and keep the device awake. Some phones won't enable tethering from a locked state. Make sure the computer shows a new USB device. That recognition is why USB tethering can be turned on in the next step. You now go into Android's network controls. Open Settings, then Network and Internet or Connections, and tap Hotspot and Tethering. Find USB tethering and flip the toggle to on. You'll see why this works. The phone shares its mobile or Wi-Fi data connection over the active USB link, creating a network adapter on the computer. If the option is grayed out, make sure the cable is recognized and the phone is set to a transferable USB mode. You finish by verifying internet access on the computer. Open Network Settings and confirm a new USB network adapter is present and active. If pages don't load, temporarily disable Wi-Fi on the computer so traffic uses the USB link. That isolates routing problems. If you still have no connection, make sure the PC has the correct USB network drivers, swap cables or ports, and reboot both devices. This one troubleshooting step fixes most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.